Okay, good evening everybody. We're going to Sainsbury's as the first stop. The order is £2.90. Just come in, so I'm heading there now on the Ego 24 electric bike. Just around the corner, about 2 minutes away. Hi buddy. Okay, 6022. Sorry buddy. Thank you. Just those two, yeah? Brilliant. Thank you very much. Excellent, thank you. Oh, that's windy. Hello there, it's your deliveroo rider. I've just tried, but it doesn't work. Could you let me in and I can just bring it up? All right, okay, if that's all right. I'll just wait outside and I'll just wait downstairs. All right, thanks ever so much. Cheers, thank you, bye bye. Hi, have you got a code there at all? Thank you very much. No, I don't know. I'll give you that. Okay. Grab hold of that and then grab that one as well. I don't know how sturdy that's held together, so it's fine. Hold on to that. All right. All right. No worries. Thank you ever so much. Take it easy. Thank you. See ya. Come in. Subway. Into Brampton. We're going to take it. £4.75. So let's go. Evening. How are you? All right? Thank you, buddy. That's brilliant. Thank you ever so much. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bike I ride is the classic Ego 24 by a company called Viking, and it's got 3 power settings. If there's any bike manufacturers out there who are watching who want to loan me or let me test a good e-bike or a better e-bike, please do get in contact with me. Oh, the wind is bad at the moment as well. Makes things a bit more difficult, and the journey is a little bit uphill. Let's go. I'll stop my waffling on and I'll get there hopefully soon. Take the left, buddy. Ten minutes to go. I'll get. Oh my God, it's a circus of the moon here. Look at the state of that.
Are you alright?
I'm good, thank you. Have you got a 2-digit code there at all? Oh, gently. Yes, sir. Alright.
Yes,
thank you ever so much. Cheers. See you later. Thank you. Bye. I'm not going to film it on the way back because it's the same way. So I'll see you when I get back to the centre, I think. Okay, we're back. So what else we get? I might call it a night. Oh yeah, 1206 if I can, thank you. Great, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Just take it off.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Done. No worries. Thank you very much. See you later. Sorry guys, thank you. Hello there. Have you got a 2-digit code there at all? Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
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 There you go. I'll give you that. And there's a drink as well. There you go. All right. Take it easy. Thanks ever so much. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, that's not delivery done. Now we're going to head back into town again. Oh dear. I just accepted a £4.75 Nando's order. Then my battery died, so I just changed the battery and I'm back on the road again. About a 10-minute ride away. Unfortunately, most of it is uphill. Well, off we go. We're getting the miles in today. 1.5 miles, 10 minutes. So I'll just head over onto the cycle path. It's now 7:38 in the evening. Getting dark. Well, I don't think you can see that, but there's some really nice pink sky up ahead. What do they say? Pink sky at night, shepherd's delight. Or red sky at night, shepherd's delight. Might get another shot of that in a second. Very pretty. Hello there. I'm here for 1617, I think. Thank you. Oh, that's quite a biggie. Oh, thank you very much. I'll see you later. Thank you. Excellent. See you later. Thank you. Okay, this one's about 8 minutes away. That's pretty good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's little bugs around here. There's a little river to the left. As you cycle down here, you actually get hundreds of bugs. Oh, in your face. Not very nice. Oh. Hi, buddy.
Anyway,
Have you got a 2-digit 88? Fabulous. Fantastic. It's quite a big bag, so just hold it at the bottom, yeah? In case there's another one as well. Is that one's off, mate? Alright, take it. Yeah, that's it. Yep, excellent. Thanks a lot. Cheers, buddy. Thank you. See ya.